and you can't stop me.
And of course,
Like, I had a good 10-minute conversation with the store manager at Remake today.
nice.
It was amazing.
And of course, you
I had
got.
to sit in his office.
And of
I
course,
don't have an office.
I do not have an office.
Store's not big enough.
yeah. If you.
Remake is bigger.
Oh, yes.
It's pretty big in there. Like, there's a showroom.
And of course, yeah. I'm just doing a remake.
It's like a maze in there.
Yeah, they have the warehouse, I'm sure, in the back.
Yeah, and I've actually toured the warehouse.
Yeah, the Corsica
Yes,
has got
you
some
can
good air
believe that.
movement.
Is there a video of it?
I have pictures.
Come on.
I'm sorry.
I'm on your YouTube page now. I need video. Oh, wow, look at that, yeah. You are funny.
Yep.
Remake fan.
Yeah.
And I'm their biggest fan according to Remake themselves.
When are they putting you in a commercial?
That will happen eventually.
You got so much energy. You could use it.
That would be
I
perfect.
love Remake.
And yeah, this thing really.
Maybe it'll happen someday. Especially since I know people there now, so.
That's high speed. This thing is. Yeah, you can go for it.
Oh, it's a TroposAir, of course it is. I love TroposAir.
Yeah, they're really good. Especially this one is like really going at it. The breeze.
Of course it is. It's a TroposAir. I'm not.
This is like a really powerful. Very impressive.